Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to collaborate with other team members on rating and reviewing candidates on Ziprecruiter. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I've done right here. I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's stats, which is how to collaborate with other team members on rating and reviewing candidates. So the first step that you need to take is to add other team members to your account. That's give them the account permission. And how do you do that? Head over to the top right corner of your screen and find the My Account tab. Click on that and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, click on Users. Once you click on Users, it's going to take you to the Users window. From there, you'll be able to add a user. So head over to this place and click on Add User and follow through the on-screen prompts to add a new user to give the user account permissions. Right here, I cannot add a user because I'm using the free version, which includes one included users. But click on this Buy More button for you to subscribe to the premium version. And once you've subscribed to the premium version, you'll now be able to add a new user. All right, so you'll be able to add a new user from this place. All right, so after you've added a new user, this is what you can do for you to collaborate with other team members on rating and reviewing. So from this page, now you're going to have to head over to Candidate and click on All Candidates. That's from the left corner. So like I said, after you've subscribed to the premium version, you're now going to find a list of all your candidates. So if you want to rate your candidates, just go ahead to this page. And once you click on this page, you're going to find a list of all your candidates. At the right corner of the screen, you're going to find the rating tab, and just under it, you're going to find all the things, the icons that you can use to rate by using the thumbs down, thumbs up, or the brush. Just use any of that to rate your candidate. And now, because you've given somebody a user permission, that's you've managed the user roles, and after adding a new user, you give the person the permission or the access to control the site or to control the accounts with you. So that person, from the person's end, the person will be able to rate and review candidate just like you can do right here in your Ziprecruiter account. So once you've given that person your account access, the person can quickly head over to this homepage. So this same homepage, so the person can head over to this same homepage and click on Candidates. After clicking on Candidates, the person will see a list of all the users. At the top, at the right corner, you're going to find the Rating tab. So the person can also rate using any of the icons, just as you will be able to do. So that's it. So ensure that you've added a user, give the person account permissions, and the person will be able to do the same as you will be able to do. So this is pretty much how you can collaborate with other team members on rating and reviewing candidates in Ziprecruiter. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.